question was, do you have any reaction to reports that the Trump Foundation was fined by the IRS for making political donation to Bonnie when she had a role in the Trump University?
Yeah, the first question is about the Russians, and do I think they're trying to help Trump? That's the.
Are they trying to help him?
Are they, right? I often quote a great saying that I learned from living in Arkansas a lot of years. If you find a turtle on a fence post, it didn't get there by accident. I think it's quite intriguing that this activity has happened around the time Trump became the nominee. And look, he very early on allied himself with Putin's policies. I mean, to pull out of NATO, for goodness sakes, right? And he, furthermore, has praised Putin. He seems to have this, bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, get some water.
Thank you. Thanks. I'll be right back.
Well, that was Hillary Clinton, her press conference there aboard her new campaign plane, interrupted by a coughing fit, the second coughing fit that she's had today. This press conference, the first in 275 days, brought to you by virtue of the fact that she does have a new campaign plane on which the embedded reporters who have been covering her for the better part of 2 years now have access to her, and she accommodated that by coming back to their section of the plane and answering some substantive questions. We'll have more of that and more on that with the panel later in this program.